EDU 740 lesson plan 2 mathematical science for year 12. The subject is mathematical science. The topic of the lesson is basic mathematics, subtrahend, remainder and factor theorem, and the topic that I have chosen is study and work out the cubic equation. For this lesson plan, as asked in the question, I will be discussing about the activity, which is phase 2. For the activity, first of all, I will ask the students to divide themselves into groups. I will instruct the students about the activities, and then I will discuss the marking criteria, which is the group activity is 2 marks each. There are 4 questions, 2 marks each, so I will be dividing the students into 4 groups. And then I will remind the students about the classroom behavior so that the students do not make noise and they behave in their groups. After that, I will move around in the classroom so that I can assist the students while they are doing their group activity. The students over here will move into groups and work in groups. Then I will be moving to phase 3, which will take me 10 minutes. As I have already divided the students into groups, now I will ask the students to present in their group so that all the participants can present. I will ask the students to present their activity, and then I will assist the students. Over here, the groups will present, and I will be giving marks to the students on how they are presenting, as I need the students to be loud, clear, and the students to behave, not to be noisy. After that, I will be moving to the conclusion, which will take me 5 minutes. Over here, I will reinforce the topic through quiz. I will be having 3 questions related to the quiz, related to the learning objectives, right? So as my learning objectives were calculate the long division of polynomials, recall the remainder theorem, and exemplify the factor theorem. So I will be asking 3 questions relating to them so that I can know that my students have learned today's lesson. The students have to participate in the quiz, but before participating, I will be instructing them about the rules. I will be asking the questions on the board, so I will need the students to put their hands up and answer the question on the board. After that, I will be awarding the students with their marks, and then before leaving my class, I will ask the students if they have any difficulties regarding the present class. If they have, they can ask me the questions immediately, or they can complete their homeworks and then ask me the question for the next class. Then I will ask my students to get back to their places as they were already in groups. After that, I will ask the students to clear their room so that they can be ready for their next class. Thank you, sir.